Hello and thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Uniswap token on Bitrue. Okay, so its ticker is UNI and like you can see, UNI has BTC, USDT and XRP pairing on Uniswap. Okay, so the first step is obviously to sign up on Bitrue. Go to the link on the description and you can find a link there that you can use to sign up on Bitrue. It's free. Okay, so after you have signed up, you straight up have two options. Okay, like I showed you, Uniswap has BTC, USDT and XRP pairing. Okay, so if you currently own BTC, USDT or XRP, you can just straight up send it to your Bitrue account, deposit it and then straight that into Uniswap. Okay, or if you don't own any Bitcoin, USDT or XRP, you can also buy that straight up on Bitrue. Okay, so I'm first going to show you how to buy Bitcoin, XRP or USDT on Bitrue. So go to home and click credit card. After that click USD and here you can select what currency you want to pay with. Okay, and after that click BTC and here you can select what cryptocurrencies you want to buy. Okay, so currently you can buy a straight up Bitcoin or XRP and you can use those both to buy Uniswap. Okay, so I'm going to, for example, go with XRP. Then just come here, buy XRP. It takes 10 to 30 minutes for the cryptocurrency to reach your wallet. And that's it. You can use Visa, MasterCard, credit card, debit card, whatever. Okay. So after you have bought your XRP, all you have to do is go to Uni, search for Uni and click Uni/XRP or BTC or USDT, whatever you have. Oh, I forgot to show you how to deposit. Okay, so first if you already own XRP or BTC, all you have to do is go to your assets. And for example, for me, let's say that I would like to deposit XRP. All I have to do is come here and click deposit, and then it will give you your address, and then you can just deposit it. Okay, so this it's really easy to deposit on Bitrue. That works for all of these coins. Okay, so now you own either XRP, BTC or USDT. So now you have to go to Uniswap and click the pairing that you currently own. So for example, I go with XRP, then I click buy, and here's straight up the order book. And you're buying Uniswap with your XRP, BTC or USDT. So all you have to do here is watch the red numbers, because those are sell orders. People are currently selling Uniswap and you are buying it. So click the bottom one of the red numbers. That is the lowest amount that somebody is currently willing to sell their Uniswap tokens. Okay, so click the bottom one for best pricing, bottom one of the red numbers, and then you can just come here and straight up type in how much you want to buy, or you can use the last price also, or optimal price, and straight up put how much you want to buy. You can also use this percent thing here. So for example, if you go with 50%, that means that you are selling 50% of your XRP and trading that into Uni. Or if you want to sell all of your XRP or BTC or USDT to Uni, all you have to do is go with 100% and then click buy Uni and then set your trading password, and then the trade will execute, and when you go back to your assets, your Uniswap token will show up right here. Okay, so that's how you can buy Uniswap on Bitrue. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. More awesome crypto videos coming every day. And if you have any questions, comment down below and like this video, and you know what I'm saying. Thank you so much and see ya.